All right, so when I placed an order a long time ago, one of the fragrances I got was this. This is a $50 Lattafa, and it's one of their newer ones. So I thought, you know what, I'd get to unbox and let you know. It has taken like 5 weeks for them to ship this. They didn't have it in stock. They didn't even know they were going to get it back in stock. I even had to call them and talk to them. They said, yes, if we don't get it back, we'll refund you or give you a different fragrance. So thankfully, it came in stock. So I'll try this out right now. I'm going to unbox it for you. Oh. I don't know what this even smells like. I don't know if it's going to be good or not, but let's see. So on top, we have this little pamphlet, a Lattafa Pride. I guess it just has their fragrances that they have in this line. I haven't tested out any of the Pride. I do think I actually own one. I don't even remember. Let's see how we can get this out. Well, that was easy. Just slides. The box feels a little rubbery. Okay, we have this little plaque right here on the front. And it's opens like that. Well, that's kind of cool. Sits right inside. Pull it out. It's in there pretty good. They even have foam at the top so that the little crown thing doesn't get messed up. I like that. Ooh, that sounds cool. But last, we don't need that for now. So here we go. This is what the bottle looks like. I don't like this little thing. I wish it was on there. It looks like it can come off pretty easily, but I don't know if I love this or hate this. I mean, it's a palm tree. It's definitely a palm tree. It's called Ajwaa, A-J-W-A-A. Probably saying it totally wrong. I apologize. Let's see what it smells like. Get nothing in the air. Interesting. All right, let's do it. Was not planning on wearing this for my scent of the day, so if it's good enough, I will, but we'll see. Kind of warm out. It's like 60 something today. Oh, wow. Oh, I get spices. Oh, I get a lot of spices. I get like, so, oh, there's something in there. Is that vanilla or amber? Oh, this is so good. I'm really, really loving this fragrance, actually. I don't think TSA would love it if I took this through the airport, though. I'd probably put it into a decant, but my goodness. So I'm getting spices similar to spicy leather. Like it's the same type of spices, only this seems much louder. On spicy leather, the leather and the spices and the sweetness kind of blend together really well. This is just popping. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is really good. This is so good. If I remember correctly, I checked and I didn't see this on Fragrantica. So let's see if I can find it. Lattafa Pride Ajwaa. Fragrantica. Oh, is it up? Is it up? It is up. It wasn't earlier. So it says amber, sweet, balsamic, soft spice, warm spice, smoky, fruity. Yep. All right. So it has dates, elemi, whatever that is, lemon, bergamot, licorice, myrrh, incense, and benzoin. That's interesting because I don't really like licorice. Oh, this is so good. Dang it, I keep getting really good fragrances that I want to wear for the fall, winter, and spring. And I never get to circle back because the next one seems to be a banger. Like everyone I've gotten so far this year, I have absolutely loved. I thought they're all incredible. And this is not any different than those. Dang, I may wear this for my scent of the day. This may be it. Again, I'm not sure if I'm sold on the bottle. It is unique, I will say. I really hate this thing though. But my gosh, it's kind of grown on me. This tackiness of this bottle is kind of grown on me. There you go, Lattafa. Way to pull an arm off of Lattafa. Way to pull an arm off. I don't know. definitely check this out. Oh my goodness. It has like a fresh spice. I know it says fresh spice is listed, but my goodness, this is so good. This is definitely going to be one that I'm going to wear heavily this year. I am excited. And I say this year, it's already November. So the rest of this year and early next year. But this smells fresh enough that it might work in the summer. The way Spicy Leather worked in New York in the summer, this might actually work. I don't know if in humidity it'll work, but oh, this is good. This is very good. Again, I almost get like a vanilla. I know vanilla's not listed, but I almost get like a vanilla. I wonder if it's that bergamot working. Oh, so good. Highly recommend this. Again, I don't know about longevity performance. I just unboxed it in front of you, so it may just fall apart after 2 hours, in which case I will not wear this heavily at all. I would probably drain this bottle, though, and spray a bunch and see what that does. But so far, off of how this is going, this feels like a really good fragrance. So I'm really happy I got this. Again, it's Ajwaa. I don't know. Prairie Lattafa, Ajwaa. Check it out if you want something for a unique bottle and a really good spicy fragrance.